How to get your hacked Roblox account back. So for example, let's say this is your account and you try to log in and it says incorrect username on password. So don't worry here. All we have to do is change this roblox.com/login to /support and then press enter, and it will take us to this page right here. It might ask you to confirm your age in the previous screen, but it's going to give us this information, so contact information. Here you will type out the username of your account. So I'm going to do this one, and your first name is optional. Email address. Now email address is really important, so here you want to use either the email address associated with your account or one that you have access to. So I'm going to do this one, and again I'm going to repeat this right here in this screen. And now this is also important. What device are you having the problem on? So just choose the device which you use to play Roblox on. So for example, PC, we can do Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, tablet device, Xbox, PlayStation, MetaQuest. I'm going to do PC. And here, type of help category, we want to choose account hacked or can't login. And another menu will appear. So we just want to click on it and we want to choose this option for account hacked. And this is where we explain the issue. I can't access my Roblox account anymore. I am the rightful owner of it. And here you want to give them some more information. For example, where you last played from. I played Roblox, I last played Roblox from the United States, for example, Texas, and my most used device to play is an iPhone. This is just as an example. If you need any further information to confirm that this Roblox account belongs to me, please contact me. And after we have typed this out, now I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it in a comment in the comment section, so you can just copy this and ask it or use it to your liking. So you just change this US Texas and iPhone here, the device. But basically after that, then we just want to click on submit here and check your email address, which we put right here, for a response for the official Roblox team, and they will be able to assist you in getting your account back. Now I hope this helps you out. I hope you get your account back. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.